practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking, the podcast where your English wakes up before you do. And don't worry, Jake also needs 5 alarms like a sleepy cat.
Hey, that is true, Anna. My alarm rings, I look at it, I smile, and I go back to sleep like a champion napper.
See, friends, if you feel lazy in the morning, you are not alone. Even Jake fights with his alarm every single day like it's a boxing match.
Yes, and my alarm always wins the first round, but I win the second round by sleeping again. Very professional.
Today is special because it's the new year, and we are talking about our daily routine, which sounds serious, but trust me, it's funny and messy like real life.
Exactly. This is not a perfect routine, this is a real routine with yawns, coffee spills, and socks that disappear.
Beginners, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and listen slowly because we use simple English and big smiles.
And if you don't understand everything, it's okay. I don't understand myself before coffee.
So, our topic is my daily routine for the new year. And yes, the new year makes us feel motivated for about 3 days.
3 days is very optimistic, Anna. I feel motivated for 1 day and a half.
Let's start with morning, because mornings decide our mood, like a bossy manager.
Oh yes, mornings say, wake up, and I say 5 more minutes, like a polite argument.
In the new year, my alarm rings at 7 a.m. and I open one eye, then the other eye, very slowly, like a turtle.
My alarm rings at 6:30, and I open 0 eyes. I just listen and suffer.
When I wake up, I stretch my arms and say, "Good morning, me," because I need encouragement.
I say, why morning again? And my pillow says nothing. Very rude pillow.
Then I sit on my bed and check my phone, which is bad, but my phone calls me like a drama queen.
Same here. I check messages, weather, and my bank app. Then I cry a little.
After that, I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. And yes, I scream inside.
Cold water wakes you up fast, like a surprise exam. My face says, why are you doing this?
Then I brush my teeth and look in the mirror, and my mirror says, "You need coffee."
My mirror says, nice hair, but it's lying. My hair looks like a bird party.
In the new year, I try to smile in the mirror, even if my smile looks confused.
I smile too, but my smile says, help me.
Next, I make my bed, because a clean bed makes me feel like a responsible adult.
I make my bed too, but sometimes I just pull the blanket and call it done. Very creative.
Then it's breakfast time, my favorite time, because food understands me.
Breakfast is the reason I wake up. Not goals, not dreams, just food.
I usually eat eggs and toast, simple and easy, like my English.
I eat cereal, but I put too much milk and it becomes cereal soup.
While eating, I listen to light music and think about my plans. Very calm and cool.
I eat fast and think, am I late? Even when I am early. Panic is free.
After breakfast, I drink tea because tea makes me feel peaceful and British, even though I'm not.
I drink coffee, strong coffee, because without coffee, I am just a confused human.
In the new year, I tell myself, today I will be productive, and I believe it for 5 minutes.
I tell myself, today I will not be lazy, and myself laughs loudly.
Then I get ready for work. I choose my clothes, and I always choose comfort.
I choose clothes too, and I ask, is this clean? Very serious question.
Sometimes I change clothes 3 times, like a fashion show for nobody.
I change once because effort is expensive.
Before leaving, I check my bag. Phone, keys, wallet, and confidence.
I check my bag too. Phone, keys, wallet, and snacks. Priorities.
Then I leave my house and say goodbye to my plants because they listen better than people.
I say goodbye to my door because I always think I forgot to lock it.
On my way, I walk and enjoy the morning air, fresh and cold like motivation.
I walk too, but I think about lunch already. Future thinking.
In the new year, I try to walk more and use my phone less. My phone hates this idea.
My phone cries when I don't use it. Very emotional device.
At work, I say hello to everyone with a smile, even when my brain is sleeping.
I say hello too, and sometimes I say good morning at 2 p.m. Oops!
I sit at my desk and start my tasks slowly, like warming up my brain.
I sit and stare at my screen, waiting for ideas to fall from the sky.
I make a to-do list and it makes me feel powerful, like a superhero.
I make a to-do list too, and then I ignore it. Very brave.
During work, I take small breaks, stretch my body, and drink water.
I take breaks too, and I stretch my fingers for scrolling. Haha.
At lunchtime, I feel happy again. Food saves the day.
Lunch is the best meeting of the day. No talking, just eating.
I eat something light, like rice and vegetables, because afternoon sleep is dangerous.
I eat something heavy and then fight sleep like a warrior.
After lunch, I feel slow, like my brain is on holiday.
Same. My brain says, let's nap, and my boss says, let's work.
In the new year, I promise myself to focus better, but my brain loves drama.
My brain loves drama too, especially when it's boring.
After work, I feel tired but proud. Like, yes, I survived.
I feel tired and hungry again. Very consistent.
I go home, take off my shoes, and my feet say thank you.
Taking off shoes is pure happiness. Better than money.
In the evening, I relax, maybe read a book or watch something funny.
I watch funny videos and laugh alone, like a happy villain.
Sometimes I practice English in the evening. Small practice, big progress.
I practice too, and sometimes I talk to myself. Very normal.
For dinner, I eat something simple because I am lazy but honest.
Dinner is leftovers, the hero of busy people.
At night, I prepare for the next day. Clothes ready, alarm set.
I set 5 alarms because trust issues.
Before sleep, I think about my New Year goals. Small goals, no pressure.
My goal is to sleep on time, and I fail every day.
I turn off the lights, get into bed, and feel grateful.
I get into bed and check my phone 1 last time. Liar, 10 last times.
Then I sleep, dreaming about a perfect routine that never happens.
I sleep too, dreaming about breakfast. Very realistic.
So friends, this is our daily routine for the new year. Simple, funny, and real.
Yes, no perfection here, just effort and laughter.
Remember, learning English is like a routine. Small steps every day.
And if you miss a day, it's okay. Just come back, like me and my alarm.
Practice a little, smile a lot, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are friends, funny friends.
Thank you for listening, keep practicing, and enjoy your routine.
See you next time, and don't forget to laugh today. Bye-bye.